This is John, and he has just realized that he received a counterfeit 50 trillion Zimbabwe banknote. Hi everyone, my name is Bex, and as you can see, there is a new counterfeit banknote in the market. This time it is Zimbabwe $50 trillion banknote. I've secretly ordered one of these notes. Let's see what's inside of it. For legal purposes, I have covered all the names related to the shop. Inside of this package, there is a certificate of authenticity. There is a packing slip and the banknote itself. I will compare this counterfeit banknote with our genuine banknote. Okay, before I start comparing banknotes, I want to define key terms. When we refer to a banknote as genuine, we mean it was officially issued or printed by the Reserve Bank of Zimbabwe. And when we designate a banknote as counterfeit, we refer to illegally produced currency that was not issued or printed by the Reserve Bank of Zimbabwe. This means it has been identified as an imitation or forgery of a genuine banknote. Let's begin the comparison. Step 1. Microprinted RBZ letters. When we look under the microscope, genuine banknotes have two distinct sets of microprinted RBZ letters. Counterfeiters failed to replicate both accurately. They were able to copy the small RBZ letters on the first set, but not able on the other. Step 2. Geometric lines. On a genuine Zimbabwe 50 trillion banknote, fine geometric lines are clearly visible. These lines are very difficult to replicate without specialized printing. Counterfeiters often show only poorly printed dots instead. Step 3. Microprinted 50 trillion number. Tiny 50 trillion number are printed around 3 sides of the rectangle on a genuine 50 trillion banknote. On the counterfeit version, this detail is missing. Step 4. Harrari and the 2008 font. Genuine 50 trillion banknote uses sans serif font for the text Harrari and 2008, while the counterfeit clearly uses a serif font. It is obvious that these are two different fonts. Step 5. Letter S inside outline. Genuine 50 trillion banknote doesn't have the inside outline on the top S curve, while in the counterfeit it was overlooked and remains as a small mark. Step 6. See-through feature. Under light transmission, the curved lines on a genuine note align perfectly to reveal numbers of 50 trillion. While the counterfeit placement does not perfectly align, you can see a light shift. Step 7. 50 trillion text thickness. On the reverse side, the top right 50 trillion text uses a thin font over a dense crosshatch background. These are hard to replicate. Counterfeiters often use a thicker font to compensate for poor detail. You can obviously see the difference. Step 8. Orange triangles. On a genuine Zimbabwe banknote, the geometric pattern features orange triangles with blue triangles printed inside. In contrast, counterfeiters are unable to print the subtle blue lines. Instead, it has a green-colored small triangles. Step 9. Security lines. The hardest part to counterfeit are security lines all over the banknote. When we look under the microscope on genuine banknote, we can see clear geometric lines. They are perfectly clear and visible, while on counterfeit banknote, the lines are poorly visible and printed in a bad quality. Now, let's look at the banknotes under the UV light. Step 1. Paper color. Under UV light, the genuine banknote appears dark purple due to its security paper, while the counterfeit glows bright blue, revealing the use of a standard paper. Step 2. Fluorescent fibers. The genuine Zimbabwe 50 trillion banknotes feature fluorescent fibers as fine lines or scratches. The counterfeits appear as dots and do not move from one note to the next. Step 3. Serial numbers. Under UV light, the serial numbers on the genuine Zimbabwe banknotes glows brightly in a vibrant orange on the left side and bright green on the bottom right, while on the fake one, the serial numbers doesn't illuminate as brightly. On the other side of the real Zim, there is a fluorescent color on the geometric shapes. The fake Zim managed to copy the fluorescent color on the geometric shape. These were all the differences between the genuine and counterfeit Zimbabwe $50 trillion banknote. A couple of weeks ago, I published a video about a new 2025 counterfeit Zimbabwe $100 trillion banknote, and this time, right now, we see a new 50 trillion banknote. And it feels like we will see more and more of these counterfeit banknotes in the market every year. In my opinion, the best solution to fight against counterfeit banknotes is to be always educated about collectible banknotes. That's one of the main reasons why we keep making these educational videos comparing the genuine and counterfeit banknotes. But as I always keep telling you guys, if you don't want to worry about counterfeit banknotes at all, just get our Tap banknote. Every day our team receives thousands of different banknotes, and after a long process of verification, they carefully put every banknote into a plastic sleeve. Then these plastic sleeves are sent under a special machine that custom seals Tap banknotes, so no water, dust or mold can get to the banknote. It helps the banknote to preserve its quality for generations. And the coolest innovation is that by simply opening the camera on your phone, you can scan the QR code on the banknote and it will send you to our website where it shows your name, the serial number, and the exact photo of the banknote. So simply saying, Tap banknote is your protection. And especially for those who stayed with us till the end of the video, we give 10% discount on all our products. Use the code YT10 to get 10% discount. Thank you for watching this video. We really hope this was very useful for you. Take care of your collection and make sure you're not getting scammed.